Well, starting today, tenants here in Massachusetts can petition to keep their eviction records sealed.
NBC 10 consumer investigative reporter Bianca Beltran is going to tell us who is eligible and how to do it. Bianca.
Well, JC, today, Attorney General Andrea Joy Campbell joined the Lieutenant Governor and other housing advocates in celebrating this change because they say even if tenants win their eviction case, come to an agreement with their landlord, or have their case dismissed, they can still have an eviction on their record that could lead to being denied housing or losing Section 8 vouchers. So record sealing is not automatic. That's important to note. And tenants must petition the court, and when they can do it depends on their case.
Today is historic. It is exciting. It is amazing for tenants all across the Commonwealth who will now be able to go online to petition a court to have their eviction records sealed and to give them a real opportunity at a fresh start.
Now, tenants in Massachusetts can petition to seal an eviction record immediately after winning a case, having a case dismissed, or in a no-fault case. For evictions due to non-payment, tenants can petition after paying the amount owed or judgment. In a case where a tenant has not paid the amount owed because of financial hardship, they must wait 4 years to petition, with no non-payment cases in that time, and their debt is not forgiven. In fault eviction cases, when a landlord evicts someone because they broke the terms of the lease by doing something other than failing to pay rent, tenants must wait 7 years to petition.
Russ and Linda, you're being evicted again this morning. Why are you living like this?
NBC 10 investigators have reported on people known as professional tenants that have been evicted several times with tens of thousands of dollars in unpaid rent. We asked what measures are in place to prevent people from taking advantage of this process.
My office will always hold anyone accountable, whether it's individuals, landlords, tenants who are violating the law, accountable along with this coalition. But today really is about getting out information to those tenants who have been wronged in some way, or who have made a mistake or life happens, to see how we can help them get back on their feet.
It's still vetted by the courts.
Right.
The landlords are notified about it. They can also voice their opposition, support, or just be silent. And also, it's a petition that you need to have a certain clear record before you can petition to simply seal your records.
Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to submit a petition to seal your eviction records, visit this website, sealmyeviction.org. The petition can be filed online or in person, and there is a questionnaire that will walk you through the process. Now, if the court allows a petition to seal an eviction record, the record will no longer be visible on public records, and the petitioner may answer no record to any questions about prior eviction actions when applying for housing or credit. In the studio, I'm Bianca Beltran, NBC 10 Boston.